Right, hello there folks, and welcome back to the Garage Travel Videos channel. Over there is the 6209 with the X900. I'm not going to do loads of commentary for this video because I will not be able to keep up. Welcome to a very busy Gateshead Interchange. Ignore the messages. Time is 16:46 on the 28th of October, the first day of a week-long metro replacement. And we're here at Gateshead Interchange today at peak time because we have 900, 901, X900 and X901, with the express services it being exclusive to peak time only. 900s are for South Shields, 901s are for South Hylton. Pretty straightforward if you think about it. I'm just not going to do commentary because of the sheer amount of buses that we're going to see. I'm not going to be able to keep up and you'll get sick of my voice. So welcome back to Gateshead. Let's see what turns up. First up, the 29th of Chester. I'm probably not going to focus on the service vehicles too much, but the metro replacements, absolutely. And that goes out that way anyway. Over there's a trainee streetlight, that's what you can hear, which is quite nice. Right, we've got a couple of metro replacements. There's 5390, which is spinning round to do the 51. And first up on the metro replacements. Why am I doing commentary? I said I wouldn't. Sorry. We're going to film the unusual bits and then the metro replacements, because I don't always see if Versa are on those. Happens more and more often now, but I'm not seeing many. It's NL63 yay as well. Funny reg. Oh, hello. Met rep spotted. Oh my god, why is there a Versa on 900s? That's made us laugh way too much, but... Was that the only vehicle spare? And it's from Percy, Maine as well. Oh, hang on. There's one behind us. That thing. This isn't a metro replacement, but it's a odd allocation. It doesn't happen all the time, so you might as well get it. There's that train in streetlight again, unless it's a different one. There's a super shuttle in the layover. Right, we're going to film this omni-decker leaving. Although the streetlight is coming. Right, that's 6175 away. With quite a lot of people on the downstairs. There it is. Training streetlight. There's a coach. It's all going off here. Oh, it's Wardley. Oh, 9 reg and all. Look at that. X900. Oh, a diamond behind me. Right, I'm going to shut up because I said I wouldn't do commentary. Caledonian's going to make your day at lightning speeds. Dear me. That's some fucking skill. Jesus Christ. He's not in any... I was going to say he's not in any hurry. He is. He's the exact opposite. There's a Voyager over there, which I believe is being on these Gateshead locals rather than metro replacement. But here's another metro. It looks like it's late, but obviously it's... Clocks have just gone back when I'm filming this, so it's only 4. Well, 5 now. Literally bang on 5. I'm going to have a nightmare when I come to edit this, because chances are half of these probably aren't even run at the timetable. And I put my service and I put the running information on the screen, so I'm going to have a nightmare. I might as well not bother with the metro replacements. Things like that I can do, because I actually know what they're doing. It doesn't help as well that the X901s and X900s don't track. Oh, got an ambulance. And a couple of E400s, which is the most East Gateshead moment you'll ever see. Oh, that's a conversion from double door. Yeah. Oh, Caledonian.
Yeah, he came round.
Yeah. I did say there'd be loads at once, and I was right. Aye.
That's all only I've got this. Right now!
Cheers.
I'm here for the next 6 o'clock, that's all I want. From the 58 drivers I know,
CHC. LX58C GY, I think. Got two X66s, both of them Voyagers. Oh, Decker on the one. Oh no, it looked like a Decker from a distance. (6202) with 6954. That might be another one. No, just on these Gateshead locals. (6972). L09CCY.